Plant FAQs. Pop Star Hydrangea. How to care for Pop Star Hydrangea. Here are some key things to keep in mind for caring for your Pop Star Hydrangea. Light. Plant your Pop Star Hydrangea in a location with partial shade. Direct sun for extended periods can be too harsh. Water. Water your hydrangea regularly, aiming for about an inch of water per week. You can check the soil moisture by sticking your finger a couple of inches down. If it feels dry, it's time to water. While pop stars are known for tolerating drier conditions than some hydrangeas, they still prefer consistent moisture. Soil. Pop star hydrangeas prefer well-draining, moist soil. When planting, you can amend the soil with organic matter like compost to improve drainage. Fertilizer. Apply a balanced fertilizer, like a October 10 formula, in early spring and late summer to encourage blooming. A slow-release granular fertilizer is a good option. Pruning. Pop star hydrangeas require minimal pruning. You can remove dead or crossing branches in late winter or early spring. How to propagate Pop Star Hydrangea. You can propagate your Pop Star Hydrangea through stem cuttings. Here's a general guide. Timing. The ideal time for taking cuttings is in late spring or early summer, just before the new growth hardens off. Materials. Sharp pruners or shears. Potting mix suitable for well-draining conditions. Consider adding perlite or vermiculite for extra drainage. Small pots, 4 to 6 inches. Rooting hormone, optional, but can encourage faster root growth. Steps. Select a healthy stem. Choose a non-flowering stem with at least 4 to 6 inches of length and 2 to 3 sets of leaves. Look for firm, green stems with healthy buds at the tip. Make the cut. Using your sharp pruners, make a clean diagonal cut just below a leaf node, the bump where a leaf meets the stem. Prepare the cutting. Remove the lower set of leaves from the cutting, leaving 1 to 2 sets of leaves at the top. You can also cut the remaining leaves in half to reduce water loss. Optional. Rooting hormone. If using rooting hormone, dip the cut end of the stem in the powder, tapping off any excess. Planting. Fill your pots with the well-draining potting mix. Make a small hole in the center with your finger and insert the cutting, ensuring a node is buried in the soil. Watering. Water the pot thoroughly to settle the soil around the cutting. Placement. Place the pot in a location with indirect sunlight and high humidity. You can use a clear plastic bag or humidity dome to create a mini greenhouse environment. Care. Keep the soil consistently moist, but not soggy. Check the soil every few days and water as needed. Rooting. It can take several weeks for roots to develop. Signs of successful rooting include new growth appearing on the top of the cutting. Transplanting. Once the roots are well established, usually 4 to 6 weeks, you can harden off the new plant by gradually introducing it to more sunlight and outdoor conditions. Then, transplant it to a larger pot or your desired location in the garden. Here are some additional tips. Use a sterile knife or pruners to avoid introducing any diseases to your cuttings. Consider using a heat mat to promote faster root development, optional. Be patient. Propagating hydrangeas can take time, so don't be discouraged if you don't see results immediately. Where to buy Pop Star Hydrangea? You can find Pop Star hydrangeas for sale at many online retailers and local nurseries. Here are a few options. Online retailers. Amazon.com. Fast-growing trees. Roberta's Unique Gardens. Brighter blooms. Local nurseries. Many local nurseries will carry Pop Star hydrangeas, especially during the spring planting season. You can call ahead to check their availability. The benefit of buying from a local nursery is that you can see the plant in person before you buy it. You can also ask the nursery staff for advice on how to care for your Pop Star hydrangea. Post navigation.